Let's work on this photo in a new way that Photoshop 2020 and above have allowed us to do with the new neural filters that use artificial intelligence. So the first thing I'm going to do is just totally desaturate the color from this. Command Shift and U. That would be Control Shift and U on a PC. Then let's do a levels adjustment and bring these sliders, the dark slider to the point of the mountain, about right there. Even it out. All right. Let's do this. Let's merge down so it's just one layer now. And we'll go into the filter menu, Neural Filters, and we'll just turn on Colorize and click OK. Isn't that amazing?